It's been 2 weeks, and let me tell you what, the combination of you and Ace looking dangerous. It's never static, quite problematic, but ain't it fun when a bit of drama comes between us? Light me up, baby, burn me down. Set this room on fire, watch the walls come down. Feel the tension rise, about to break the ground. I don't know how, but maybe we should stop all these love goes with me. Shut it down.